And finally, we have the tripod stand for the ring light. It's quite long. I'm yet to also find out how long it is, but from the supplier I knew that it's quite long. Yeah, so we'll see it after I have assembled it, guys. Yeah, so apart from the ring lights, I also purchased this microphone from the same supplier. So this is it's a dual microphone, and the thing with this one is this one goes both into the camera and into the phone, so it can function with both the camera and the phone. So first thing you see is these wind filters. They look like pads, I think, that you use to dress the microphone. And then there is this manual that comes with it. So the manual should guide us on how to assemble or to use it, sorry. And finally the microphone. It has some sort of adapter, and then the plug that goes into the camera and the phone. And it's a dual microphone, so you can see there are two cables. So this is our ring light. I've just assembled it. This is how it looks. You plug into our power source and it works. When you plug it into our power source, it works, and it has different colors, or rather different lights. There is the dim light, white light, and the one in between. That is how it looks. And the tripod stand, that is how it looks, the one that comes with the ring light also. It's flexible, you can pin it anywhere, like I've just pinned it on my door handle. You can see, you can it's as flexible as possible, like you can use it for anything, you can pin it anywhere. And also you can use it as a selfie stick or something. Yeah, so this is me without the ring light and without the microphone. I'm also trying to find out how the difference is. I'm trying to figure out how different it will be. Yeah, so let's see. This is how I look or look without the ring light and without the microphone. So let me just switch on the ring light to give you guys an idea of what it feels like, or it seems like, to have a ring light on. The difference. Can you see any difference, guys? So that is me with the ring light on and off. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Yeah, so is there a difference? If I increase brightness, this is how it looks. Guys, so I decided to get to a darker place so that I see how the ring light works. Let's see if it makes a difference. So guys, in the previous clip I was at a place which was very bright and light was coming from all directions, so I wanted to come to a darker place so that I can see the effect of the ring light. Yeah guys, so let's see how it looks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's shining it's too bright, guys. Let me reduce the light a bit. Okay, reduce a bit. Okay, this is how it looks when it's reduced. If I increase, it gets some, see, it's really illuminating. I can't even face it right now. It's really harsh on the eyes. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Let's see another color. Okay, that works perfectly well. That's a dimmer light. and I think it's cool. I think it's the perfect one for this ambience. Let's increase it a bit and see how. Oh guys, you can see the difference, right? Full light. So guys, you can see the difference. This is the warm light, this is the white light, it's brilliant white, then this is in between them. So this is in between them, that is the warm light, and then that is the white light, and that's the difference guys. When I switch it off, let's see how it is. We've gone back to okay, we've gone back to our normal lighting, but guys, you've seen the difference. So that's it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna test this microphone, guys. I'm gonna test this microphone. Let's see how we sound with the microphone. Guys, I'm just testing this microphone. I just want to see if it works because I just unboxed it, and I have two. Well, I have this dual microphone here. I have the dual microphone and I have this single microphone. So I want to test both of them and see if they work good and see which one I'll be using more. Let me just plug it here. Yeah, I hope it makes sense there. Yeah, but this is me testing this mic to see if there's a difference between my normal audios and this one. If you want such microphones, DM me on my Instagram. I will give you direction on how to get it. My Instagram is Laser Closet. This one comes with 2E. I think it's a wind filter. So that's how it looks. So we have two of them. This pin, I don't know its function, but there's a manual here, so I'm gonna go through the manual and I will know how to operate it. Yeah, so guys, I think this is the adapter. It has an on and off power button here. I think, is this power button? Okay, I get it. So okay, here is written camera, here it's written camera, and here it's written smartphone. So I think this button helps you to switch between smartphone and camera. So first of all, I'll switch and see how it works on camera. These cables are really long. I tell you, I think you can vlog for a distance. I mean, from a distance with this one. So this we have this plug. This one gets to the phone, and also like this is a camera. So let me see if we have a port for this particular. So in a camera you have different ports. So this the mic port is up here. That is where I'm going to plug in this one. In like that. Switch on the camera. See if it recognizes that it has a. I'm gonna switch to camera mode and see if the camera can recognize that we have a microphone here. Yeah, so guys, if you can see here, when you look at this part, when the camera is off, it shows that it's not capturing any sound. But when I turn the camera off, just observe this part. When I turn the camera on, you can see that it's speaking. Yeah, so guys, that confirms that it works on this camera as well. So let's test it on phone. So let me dress the mic, this part. Let me dress them. Yeah, now this one is well dressed. Let me dress the other part other part. Okay, the other part is also well dressed right now. So I have two of them. Like I said, it's a dual microphone, so if you're doing an interview or you have two of you in a vlog, you can use both microphones. And this is the plug, so I want to plug this into the phone. See the difference. Hey, this is how I sound with this microphone, and this is how I sound with this microphone, and this is how I sound with both microphones. Guys, this is so funny because I can't hear myself. I mean, I'll only find out after I'm done recording. So this is how I sound. So guys, this is how I sound with my new microphones, lapel microphones, and this is how I look with the ring lights. Yeah, so I just wanted to unbox them and show you guys how they look, take you guys through this journey of unboxing. Yeah, maybe if you feel motivated by this video, you can purchase one for yourself. If you DM me, I will link you to the person who supplied it to me, or the person who I bought from. Yeah, I think we are good to go. Our vlogs are gonna get better. They're gonna get better. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, share. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, invite somebody else to subscribe, and let's get better together. Let's learn together. Let's get new ideas together. Let's share and see where this life takes us. Bye.